Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a weekly recap on trades taken last week. So let's get started. Today is Saturday. We closed the last week yesterday, Friday. Let's get started here with the beginning of the week on the 12th, Monday. Okay, this is the first trade, pound yen, 200 pip to the upside, right, on the 12th yen. Beautiful entry here. Now, why this big of a trade? Let me just show you in the beginning that the reason behind it was, you see this video I made, and it says technical Elliott wave analysis of yen index and setups in USD yen, pound yen, and euro yen, etc. You watched the video, and I said that this thing is going to go to the upside, and yen index and yen will get weaker, and all yen pair will be going up. And I made this video on the 11th, means Saturday, okay, before the week started. And after that, I started to get the entries, and then I start taking the trades. Simple as that. So 12 pound yen on the 12, 200 pip. Similarly, on the 12, euro yen from 7-minute chart, 160 pip. I shrink the chart a little bit so that it can fit in the screen. Pound yen from 7 minutes. This is second entry, same kind of entry, but same area. But I have entry charts open, two different computers. One only handle the 20-minute entries, 20-minute charts, and the other computer is handling the 7-minute chart, right? If I open both together in the same computer, then it's too many Zelenko charts, and then computers start to get frozen, right? So we don't want to do that. So I have these charts separate so that less load on the computer. All right. So this is Aussie yen again, 7-minute going to the upside, 120 pip. All yen pairs going to go to the upside. See, USD yen, 80 pip on the 12th. All of them was like 12 on Monday. Then USD yen again, 80 pip from 20-minute chart. See CAD yen 20-minute chart. You can see on the 13th. Entry was on the 12th, but I closed. This thing moves slowly, right? So on the 13th, I closed for 85 pip. Then USD yen on the 13th, another entry here for 95 pip. See how many pips just going to the upside? All yen pairs based on the yen video that I made on Saturday, last Saturday. Today Saturday too, by the way. So, but last Saturday I made that, and then euro yen. Now they went up, and then I started making different charts to the downside. Okay. So this is on the 15th. So those charts I'll show. Let me just show you that what happened is that they all went up, and usually I make my analysis chart on the 20-minute chart. Sorry, 40-minute chart, right? I do the analysis there, and then I start taking the trades according to that. So for example, once they are all to the upside, where the heck they are, right? This one. So this is from going from here. Okay, this is from here to here. I was like long, long, long. But then I says it's gonna drop back here. And that's what it did. See that? Euro yen. And then you can see here Euro yen coming down. And again, I think another one, euro yen, the same entry, I think. And the next day I closed on the 16th, 95 pip. See that? Similarly, euro yen. Okay, see pound yen. On the 13th, I made the chart that is going to drop. First, he went up, so I had several trades going to the upside. Then I said, now it's going to come down to this maybe rising TIA, right? On the 13th, look what happened as of today, 16th. Yesterday, actually. Today, 17th. So Friday, we ended up like this. And now it's a very nice long setup, by the way. It's like the TL and 78%. It might go up again. So I'm going to make new charts and post on the Telegram for my subscriber. By the way, this is where the Telegram that we are post for my subscribers. And if you are not the subscribers, you want to get these charts, before charts, so that you can plan ahead, then join my system. Then, get the subscription from my website, creativetrading.system.com. Okay. Now, so similarly, USD yen, you see that? I made the chart that's going to drop because of this. This is a, bearish, Bibu means bearish butterfly pattern. And this is what happened to it. And I'm sure that I have a USD yen short as well. Let me see. pound yen 7-minute short, also 85 pip on 15. And now this is gold on the 16, 300 pip going to the upside, and this is it. Now, why so many, so less trades I have this week? Because these are some trades I took early in the week, and then later in the week I got sick and couldn't do much. So a few trades you can see, in the last, Thursday and Friday, because it was my throat wasn't working, and fever and all of that. So I said, well, the hell with it. I rested most of the couple of days. So these are the charts on there. I took the trades, and let me show you my website for more of these. Now this is USD. Now gold, I see this one. I said this thing is gonna drop from 127, and look, from 127 it dropped, hit the TL, and then now going back to the upside. Hopefully it's gonna go to the upside again. Now this is before the last week, right? So this was the week that USD CAD is gonna go to the upside, went up. This is gold that's gonna bounce on the TL, right? And then go into this area. In fact, this area, it is all the way to the upside, actually. But you can see here, even on the 5th, it was all the way here. And currently, I think it is way to the upside. Let me see what I have here. No, not this one. Let me see if I can show you gold 40-minute chart, the current after chart for that. See this one? I said it's gonna go up here, yes, and then I said it's gonna drop, and it did. Then I made the chart that it's gonna go to the upside to 107, and it went up all the way. And then I made the chart that it's gonna drop, and it did. Right. So step by step, all the charts are on my website. Here you can find this one. See the gold? It was making this boo again here, right? Bearish butterfly, and it says that according to this diagram, it's supposed to be coming to this. And it did, right? Similarly here, gold is supposed to drop from wave 4 here, and it did, right? This one, Euro Aussie, is going to drop here, right? So it did. The last chart, you can see that it went actually all the way to here. That's the same chart. This came, and then it just wobbled here a little bit, and then drop, and then now it's going to go up. All right. So these are the charts that I made before, and now again, today is Saturday, so I'm gonna go over, and I have made some already. So what I do is I post these on my Telegram for my subscriber to take advantage of those, charts. And like I said, this one here, see this Euro Yen, it came down here, and now it's gonna. I made the chart that is gonna go up. This one came down, and this is the trade for that. And let me see. Actually, here I'm supposed to have the trade on the 15th. This is coming down here. Let me see if I can. No, forget it. I'll fix it. There's a trade here. I forgot instead of the trade, I posted the new setup actually for the next week. It's gonna bounce and go to the upside. But there was a nice Euro Yen short. Let me show you. Where's not here, not here, not here. Euro yen short right there. You see that? This is on the 16th, all the way down. So this is what happened. All right. So this is it for now. I'm gonna make the gold video and then Bitcoin also later on. And they're both setting up to go to the upside. So I'm gonna make the videos later on, right? Also USD yen, not USD, sorry, US dollar index and other indexes. Aussie index is ready to drop, hitting the TL and then weekly chart. So it might drop, and then Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie might go up. Let's take a look quickly over there. Euro Pound Aussie. I made the chart when we were here. That's gonna go up, so it already started to go up. Euro Aussie, I made the chart that's gonna go up, and it started to go up. It already ready to give a long entry on the 20-minute chart. So I'm gonna take that entry next week when the week start, and the rest I'll make. See, this one's supposed to be going to the upside. I already made the chart and saved the template. By the way, let me say GJ. GJ 116 after, right? So this is 115. This is before 116. Okay, this is the template, and boom, this is the chart, the new chart that I made, and this is what's gonna happen. All right. So I'm gonna still have to fix it. I need to put my logo here after having a long, reversal on 20 minutes and all of that. Somehow it just disappeared from here. So this is the current chart for the next week. And then similarly, I have Euro Yen and USD Yen, all of these charts, before charts for next week ready. And if you want these charts, just like I said, that, be a part of my Telegram. And for that, you need to go on my website, creativetrading.com, and become a subscriber. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.